Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and do you ever feel like a bear because you're trying to get to that hard to reach spot on your back that you just can't scratch? Well, you'll never have to do that again. Not if you have one of these Cactus back scratchers. I love this little thing. The dual side head is just right for different types of itches. The small size makes it portable and convenient for traveling and being on the go. And also it is extendable, which means you can get those hard to reach spots, or if you have shoulder problems and it's really difficult for you to reach, you won't have any problem with this nice long size. It's about 3 feet long. Everyone in my family has really enjoyed having this. Who knew that something so simple would be so popular? I've had to hunt for it all around the house just so I can use it myself. It's definitely something that we will keep around for a long time, as long as we don't lose it. And that's our point of view.